Hello guys, welcome to my gaming channel Renix Gaming, and today we are going to see how we can use BSNL FTTH Net Link HG323 DAC. Previously I was using the BSNL router, that is blue colored one, uh, GPON HG323RGW, that is 2.4 gigahertz. Now I'm upgrading to 5 gigahertz. So those who want to migrate from 2.4 to 5 gigahertz, you can use this Netlink HG323 DAC for BSNL FTTH users. So in order to use this HG323 DAC to BSNL FTTH, you have to do one thing. You need to update firmware. You can do all the configurations, everything. I did all the configurations and everything correct, but it didn't work because the firmware was not correct. We have to upgrade your firmware. So this is model HG323 DAC. So you have to get correct firmware for the correct devices. So for BSNL, there's a helpline portal. You can see in this picture. This is the website bsnlsupport.com slash onu configuration.html, and in this website you will get netlink 2 antenna, netlink 4 antenna. For 2.4 gigahertz you will be having 2 antenna, and the netlink 4 antenna for 5 gigahertz. You can see that 4 antennas are there. So this is the website you have to download. You have to click this link for downloading the firmware, and you can download the Cyrotech firmware DBU if you are using Optilink, TP-Link. Everything is here, so you can update to the latest firmware. Why you need to update firmware? You will get reduced bugs. Then any upgrades to the configuration, means that Netlink software configurations, and maybe fast processing also. So it's good for upgrading. And the BSNL don't work in older versions. It work from 2.018 version for Netlink 4 antenna. So after that, downloading this firmware, the firmware will be like this, but don't unzip. We don't want to unzip this file. Let it be like that. And after that, you have, after connecting all your fiber cable, LAN connections, everything, you have to come to this page. This is the home page for the configurations. You have to type in the first modem will having a preset username and password. The username will be admin, and password will be str, that is lowercase, then onu, that is uppercase, then 10, that will be the password. So stronu 101, and you have to give the verification code. So I have to enter your username, your password, and the verification code. So it will log in, and this page will be coming. So after that, you will be getting this page. After logging in, you will be having this page. Then after that, you already know how to configure the network. You can see all the videos in YouTube, and you have to enter exactly the same what BSNL has gave you, the older modem. You have to enter the same settings in management for firmware upgrading. in that you have to take device manager. So after that, in the left side bottom, you have to select upgrade image and you have to choose the file. So choosing the file, you have to select the file and open. So it will come here .tar. Now you have to press upgrade. So already I upgraded, so I'm not going to show you how to upgrade, how to click this one. Just click this one, and after upgrading, your version will be 2.018. Now the latest version is version 2.0.20. And for BSNL FTTH users, you have to download from this portal only. Don't get wrong versions from the Netlink software update website. So get it from here. The link is this one. This is will be more useful for you because I used to struggle a lot after buying the new modem. After that, finally I got this one. So this is it. This is the video. How we can upgrade 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz in BSNL FTTH, and how to firmware update for proper working of the internet configuration. Thank you for watching the video.